glass. After adding the water, let's add some sanitizer to it.
Sanitizer, huh? Okay. So this is his experiment. What is the name?
Invisible fire.
Invisible
We
fire.
will have a fire but we can't see it.
Okay.
Then, we will burn a matchstick and move it slowly around the sanitizer. See, we get our invisible fire.
Oh yes. How is it happening?
It's happening because sanitizer has alcohol. It is flammable and it catches the fire. So we get invisible fire.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. Anything else? Thank you very much for this.